Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to add a profile photo in the Whatnot app. This simple process will help personalize your account and make it easier for others to recognize you while browsing or selling items. First, open the Whatnot app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. Then, click on the View Profile button. After that, you will see an Edit Profile option. Click on it to make changes to your profile settings. Now, click on the field labeled Profile Photo. Then, click on Choose from Library to select an image from your phone. If the app does not have permission to access your storage, a pop-up will appear. Click on OK and then click on Allow to grant permission. Next, select the photo you want to use from your phone. After choosing the image, click on Crop at the top right corner of the screen to adjust it as you like. Finally, click on Save, also at the top right corner, to set your new profile photo. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.